postulates. Okay, postulates, just like axioms, are the assumptions that have to be accepted. Okay, however, postulates relate specifically to a field of study. Okay, so the postulates that we'll go through are related specifically to geometry, and they apply only to geometry. Okay, so postulates are more exclusive in that way. Okay, they apply only to the specific field for which they're postulated. Okay, and so the ones that we're going to use in geometry that differ from other maths or differ from other sciences, they're going to be based on geometric constructions. And so the two things to keep in mind regarding postulates is that they're very specific to a single field, and they're based on geometric constructions. Right, now, compare those to axioms. Axioms are just like postulates. They are accepted truths, or the assumptions that have to be accepted without proving them. However, this one is not specific to a field. It's more general. It applies to, it's a more universally applied set of concepts. So this one is related to logic, math, magnitude, or measurements. And so it applies to many different fields. And so any math, any science will use the same set of axioms that we're going to talk about. And the axioms that we're going to deal with are going to be based on logic and math, and they're also called common notions. The reason, or the distinction between axioms and common notions will involve the perspective. Axioms are kind of the modern perspective. And so axioms, anytime I use the term axiom, I'm going to be talking about just the modern way that relationships, or these logical relationships, are interpreted or translated. If I refer to common notions, I'll usually be talking about the historical perspective. Okay, so this will be more in terms of words, so what the word relationships are for these logical relationships, historically speaking. Okay, so axioms are more modern, the common notions are more historical. They do mean the exact same thing, which are accepted truths that apply universally to many fields of study that are based on logic.